Certainly has been warm the last several days, but the difference over the weekend was that drop in the dew points that's lasted through today. High humidity going to start to return, along with some higher chances for some rain. 13 weather ball is green, and we'll show you that in a minute. But we had a beautiful day to start our day in Hesperia. Bill capturing this over the calm waters there in that location. Again, 13 weather ball green, no change foreseen other than the humidity. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Certainly a warm day. 95 in Milwaukee, 93 Chicago. We almost made 90 here at Grand Rapids, stopping at 89. We shared that with Fremont, Ionia, and down in Kalamazoo. Average high is 82. And we matched our forecast of 89 with a bullseye today. We've been within 3 degrees of our forecast high 14 days in a row. Well, the upper level winds are starting to shift just a little bit. We've been a warm, humid weather pattern because it's been pretty flat, but the winds are going to start to come now a little bit more from the northwest. That is going to bring in some slightly cooler air next week. Not so much this week, but next week we're going to see our dew points and our temperatures drop to a little bit cooler than average. In the meantime, that jet stream has got a stationary front right up in through here, and this is where the focal point for some showers and storms will be tonight, or tomorrow I should say, not tonight. We're going to stay dry tonight, just a few high clouds coming through in the next few hours, but this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a.m. But as those storms develop to our north, some of those may get down to around US 10 by about 10 o'clock in the morning, and if the models are correct, they'll reach south of US 10 by 11 o'clock, maybe down to the greater Grand Rapids area by noon, and then they'll begin to push to the south in the early part of the afternoon, and eventually we'll see our skies clear later on tomorrow afternoon. And we have some virtually dry weather coming up until Wednesday night, when the next round of showers and storms will move through. But this is what may happen overnight tonight as those storms come on down. There could be up to an inch of rain along and just north of US 10. Dew points, that's going to be the measure of how comfortable we feel. Mid and upper 60s through Thursday morning, and then they drop dramatically for the start of the weekend. We'll flirt with a little bit of humidity next Sunday and the following Wednesday, but not a lot of that. As forecast for tomorrow, if there are showers and storms, they'll be morning, moving from north to south as they dissipate, and then the sun comes out and we start to see temperatures recover into the low and mid 80s. Morning shower and thunderstorm first here, a little bit later in the morning in Fremont and Greenville. Then the sun comes out late in the day. We may not see a lot of sun the end of the day here in Grand Rapids. We may start with sunshine, but some showers and storms may get down to I-96 by noon, and they may linger further to the south into the afternoon. 13 on your side forecast. Little more certainty in the showers and storms for Wednesday night and Thursday morning. That's no change from last week's forecast. And then we will see a little bit cooler, a little bit less humid weather to start our weekend. Next week, highs will be in the 70s to near 80, and from time to time we might see a little humidity, but not a lot of activity until perhaps late next week. So we've had some very warm weather, but we did get a break here this weekend.
Yes. Calm and comfortable, that looks like, George.
You bet.
Thank you.